Today I'm going to share with you a very practical product. Now, usually when you connect your NVR or your DVR to a monitor, you need a HDMI cable, right? 1.5 meter, 3 meters, and so forth, right? Now, when you have a situation where you need to pull a very long distance HDMI cable, you will have a hard time due to the thickness of the cable as well as the connectors, right? Now, we have something very unique here. It's very compact. As you can see, it connects one end to the NVR via the CAT5 cable, and to another end. From here, it just connects straight to your TV monitor, and it's able to support up to 4K quality, and the maximum distance is 30 meters.